I don't usually do 2 rants in one day. Well, sometimes I do. But I just read a post, okay, that people had complained about, I don't know if you know Adams, Fairacre Farms. There's 2 of them. There's one in Poughkeepsie. Oh, there's 3. One in Poughkeepsie, Kingston, and one in Wappingers. And I don't know which one they're talking about, or maybe they're talking about all 3. I don't know. But they were saying people were complaining that the Halloween display was too scary, so they didn't do it this year. Now, I don't know if you know the Halloween display, but it's basically just a makeshift, like a tunnel thing, and you walk through, and it's like, it lasts about a minute to walk through, or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Now, are we raising a bunch of pussies in the world? Really? If you think that's scary, you need help. Also, every year I take my kids to the haunted, what do you call it, the hayride, in the big one, in the Headless Horseman one. Okay? My daughter wants to bring a friend with her, and her friend watched the upcoming video on it, the preview, and she's too scared to go. Whose kids are these? What are we doing in society that we're making our kids scared of everything? Okay? It's stupid. Okay? My 5-year-old doesn't like walking through my hallway sometimes because of my giant spiders, and I tell her to get over it. Okay? 'Cause it's only going to get worse. It's early. It's just mid-September. I'm not going to keep her from it. I'm not going to, like, make it all cushy for her and put up, like pumpkin Winnie the Poohs. No. No. Get over it. Get over it. It's fake. It's fun. It's fucking Halloween. It's the best fucking holiday. Okay? According to me and my friends. Okay? So, what are we doing to these kids? That they're scared of everything. All right, when I worked in funeral homes, I used to bring my kids with me. They used to run around and play and like peek in the caskets. All right, get over it. It's life. Okay, people die. This happens, that happens. Stop sheltering your kids from everything, because then they become these adults who can't handle anything, and they protest friggin' Halloween tunnel in the grocery store. Are you kidding? It's too scary. Oh my God. Stop it. Get over it. Damn. I think they need to be put into a room and like have like videos playing of everything they're scared of, like just to shock them, get it out of their system. Okay? If you're scared of spiders, then go, you get a bucket of tarantulas dropped on your head. I have no problem with that. It's just not, what? Oh, hi. Hi, what you doing? I'm ranting. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm ranting because you know what happened?
What happened?
Like in Adams, you know how they have that little Halloween tunnel thing?
Yeah.
Well, people complained that it was too scary, so they won't put one up this year.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
It wasn't scary, though.
No, I'm kidding. I know.
It's not scary.
I know. It's silliness, right? There you go. She's 12. Get over it, people. What are you scared? It's silly, so stupid. It's probably more of the religious folk doing it. Like, oh my God, it's satanic and everything, and it's bad, and it's the devil. Stop it. Stop it. Damn. God, I'm not going there. I'm not going. I usually go in the gift shop because they got cool stuff in the gift shop. Yeah, I'm not going to go. No, I'm not. And you know why? I'm going to tell them why. You said it? All right, well, I'm done ranting. We're off to the Halloween stores later.
And yes, I need to get gym clothes.
Yeah, I know you need gym clothes. I know. There's always something.
And it even said on the announcements to bring them tomorrow. So.
I know, otherwise you'll fail, right?
Yeah. If I don't change, then I'm going to fail. Yeah.
She doesn't change, she's going to fail.
Yeah.
That's not cool.
You gotta change.
What if the parents don't have money to go run out and buy special things? That's what I want to know. What do you do then? Right? You fail? It's not good. It's not cool, right? It's not cool. All right. I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this rant.